Hey guys, what's up? It's Andrew from Caden Technologies, and welcome to the second episode of the Unreal Engine 4 Basic Series. In this episode, we're just going to be creating a new project, and I'm going to be, in the next episode, we're going to be going over the user interface. This episode is going to be fairly small, very short. So in the last episode, we downloaded and installed Unreal Engine 4. So go whatever your version you're using and then click Launch. This will launch the Unreal Engine 4 project browser. Just let it load up here for a second. Now, if it does not do this for you, you might have always load last project on startup. You do not need to do that. We're just gonna quit that. So we're gonna create a new project. We're gonna do a blank project, and we're just gonna call this, you know what, no, let's just do third person. Let's just do third person, and we're just gonna call this basic. Now, these right here is some settings for your project. So it really just depends on what you're doing. For like PC or console, like PS4, Xbox One, PS5, or Xbox Series X if you're using 4.25, you should use desktop or console, and if you're using phone, mobile or tablet. Same thing with same thing for the quality settings. Scalable 3D or 2D is for mobile because that's when you have very small screens or large screens, and then maximum quality is for PCs where you can get the high-end, like the highest textures possible. And starter content, it's just basically these basic meshes and materials. We're just going to not use those at the moment. We can put those in a later episode. And then second location. So I have it stored in my YouTube tutorial folder, and I have it named basic. You guys can put this wherever you want, name it whatever you want, and then let's do create project. The next episode is going to be a lot longer because I'm going to be going over the user interface of Unreal, going through everything you see here, because it looks like there's a lot, but after I explain it all to you, it'll all be very simple. So that's all we're doing for this episode. We are creating a project. In the next episode, again, we will be going over the user interface of Unreal Engine. And starting on the episode after that is when we'll start actually making stuff in the engine. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Andrew from Caden Technologies, signing off.